The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has arrived, and while it looks familiar at a distance, it introduces a few techno-magic features that finally break the cycle of iterative updates. The standout feature this year is the privacy display. Built directly into the 6.9-inch 10-bit AMOLED panel, it allows you to narrow the viewing angles at the pixel level. You can toggle it on to make your screen appear dark, or you can set it to activate automatically for banking apps or private chats, while keeping it off for movies. Samsung has rounded the corners of the Ultra slightly this year. It sounds minor, but it makes the 6.9-inch frame much more comfortable to hold for long periods. It's also the slimmest Ultra yet at just 7.9 millimeters and noticeably lighter at 214 grams. The quad camera system remains the most versatile on the market, but the hardware has received some strategic light upgrades. 360 degrees horizon lock. Borrowing tech from action cams, the new horizon lock keeps your video perfectly level even if you rotate the phone a full 360 degrees. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, customized for Galaxy, handles the heavy lifting, specifically tuned for the new suite of AI tools. Between the privacy display and the long overdue bump in charging speed, it feels like the most complete Ultra in years.